Hey guys, we'll see how we can connect Google Cloud Console and send out 500 emails per day. So we are basically going to connect the APIs. How do we do that? You have to go to Google Cloud Console. You have to create a project, name it anything. Then you need to create credentials. To connect, we'll need our authentication client ID. Configure this. Get started. App name you can give it as anything. Give your email. Put it as external contact information. Give this as your email. Click on create. Then create a client authentication application. Put it as web ID and the direct URL you want to go to your n8n and find out. So you basically this is a workflow. I'll give that workflow in the. So you basically go here, add a new client ID, copy this authentication redirect URL, go to your email where this is, place it there, and click on create. Then you will get a client ID. You can copy paste in this n8n here, and the client secret. You will get your own client ID and secret. Copy this, and basically you need both of that to connect Cloud Console to your Gmail account, sign in, add your email account that which you want to connect. If it's not login, you'll have to log in. You might see something like access blocked. You have to go back to this email and you have to add a test user. You have to click on data access and you have to click on audience and add your email here. Click on save, and once you add that test user, it should be fine. Yeah, so once that is done, go back and add it again. Click on sign in again and do this whole process again. Click on sign in and continue. Click on continue. Click on continue, and your connection will be successful. Basically, what you did just now is that you connected the email automating workflow to Google Cloud Console to your email, and with that, you will be able to send out emails. So this is connected. We just created another account. This is Gmail 4. I'm going to rename it to something which you will be able to keep editing and save. Keep editing and save. Yeah, close. Yeah. Then in the sending email text also you have to change it to the correct email. Then you will be able to see